Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 2 SP affirmations that will absolutely have him stuck to you like glue. This really works every single time. I affirm for it, my clients affirm for it. It's truly magical and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. But before I do, you are more than welcome to book one-on-one coaching with me. I am having so much fun talking to you guys about your specific situation, creating a manifestation routine for each and every single one of y'all. I tailor it to you, and each and every single one of my clients, the manifestation routine is different, and it is exactly what they personally needed to instantly manifest their desire. Works like magic. So you can go on ritakaminski.com/coaching or click the very first link in the description box down below to enroll with me. I'm so excited to hear from you. And finally, I manifest for this video to change your life for the absolute best. And with that, let's get into it. If you are trying to manifest your specific person and nothing is working, or if you're tired of chasing or overthinking, this video is going to change everything. When I say they're going to be stuck to like glue, I mean mentally, emotionally, spiritually, physically, on all levels. So get cozy because I'm not just giving you the affirmations. I'm going to break down why they work, how to use them correctly, and how to shift your energy so they become wildly obsessed with you, even though it may be slightly toxic. Let's start with the 2 affirmations. The 2 affirmations are, he doesn't give a shit about anyone else but me. And no matter what he is doing or who he is with, he is obsessing over me. Now you can say he, you can say she, you can say their name, you can say SP, whatever floats your boat, whatever feels the most natural, whatever rolls off the tongue. Now I know these may sound a little bold, even a little aggressive, and that is the part of the reason why they work. These affirmations bypass your logical conscious mind and go directly into your subconscious. They carry a very specific energetic tone, certainty and dominance. You're not asking, you're not hoping, you're declaring, you're choosing. Okay, so let's talk about why they're so effective. First, they eliminate all competition. He doesn't give a shit about anyone else but me instantly shuts down any competition, whether it's third-party distractions, friends, even clingy family members, even your own insecurities. It cuts through the noise. It declares that you are at the center of his emotional universe. That's it, period. No ifs, no doubts, no wiggle room. Secondly, they shift your identity. You stop being the person who tries to get their attention and you start becoming the person who they can't get off their mind. Think about it. If you're repeating no matter what he's doing or who he's with, he's obsessing over me, then you're no longer reacting to the 3D. You've anchored yourself into the version of you who is already chosen, already prioritized, already irresistible. Even if you're in your room anxious that he is off somewhere else, when you repeat this affirmation, trust me, it makes you feel better instantly and the results speak for themselves. And thirdly, they create energetic dominance. This is not about controlling someone else. This is about owning your reality. You're not manifesting from fear and desperation. You are manifesting from your own power, your own authority, your own knowing that it is already done. And when you do that, people respond back. They show up. They mirror back exactly what it is that you are thinking about. Okay, so here's how you use these affirmations for maximum effect, baby. Repeat them often, mindlessly when you're doing something that takes up a lot of your mind power, and not so mindlessly when you have a little bit of time. Affirm them when you're walking, cooking, walking, working out. Let them just become the background noise of your own beautiful life. You don't have to scream them. Just repeat them with quiet certainty. Embody them. Be it right now. When you're saying it as the person who already lives it, not as the person who is trying to manifest it. Do you see the difference there? I know you do because you're very smart. Say these affirmations as you are falling asleep. This is key. The subconscious mind is the most responsive when it is in the theta state. So when you repeat these affirmations right before you doze off and right after you wake up, you will be unstoppable. Whisper to yourself these affirmations, or even record them in your own voice and create your own subliminal and listen to it while you're falling asleep. I have a video showing you how to do that right here. Now, another thing that is very powerful is to challenge the 3D. So whenever you see something that goes against your affirmation, all you have to do is repeat them in your mind again. He doesn't give a shit about anyone else but me. No matter what he's doing or who he's with, he's obsessing over me, bitch. Say it with some arrogance. Like if they're not texting you or if you see them with somebody else, you mentally correct it. You remind yourself, he doesn't give a shit about anyone else but me. You're training your mind to hold that dominant assumption regardless of the 3D. And that is exactly when the 3D catches up. Now, what is very sneaky and powerful is if you detach from the situation. Detach energetically, not mentally. That means you are affirming not to make something happen, but you're just thinking it because it's already done. I have 250K subscribers. I think about that. Not in a way where I'm affirming to get it, but I just remind myself, I have 250K subscribers now. That's so cool. Do you see the difference where it's not something that you're trying to mold the 3D to be? It is, I already have it. I already have the 250K subscribers. That is the affirmation in itself. That is the thought in itself that will get you there. When you affirm, you are in that moment turning into the person who is already worshipped by them. Also, these affirmations are not just about manifesting this person. They will automatically make you step into the highest self-concept ever because you choose yourself, because you are seen as that person who is the most favorable in any room that you walk in because he has picked you. The person that you love has picked you, and you know that right now. And that love flows to you effortlessly. He just can't help himself because you are just that girl, because your energy is that magnetic. So there you have it, the 2 affirmations that will get him stuck to you like glue. Super glue. Use them daily. Use them deliberately. And most importantly, use them as the version of you who already knows that it is already done. I know that this helped you like crazy, so give this video a thumbs up, and in the comments down below, let me know the affirmation that hit the hardest for you. Want more videos like this? Don't forget to subscribe because I know that you absolutely loved this video. And again, don't forget to book one-on-one coaching with your girl at ritakaminski.com/coaching. I love you all so much. You are the opera and power. Never forget that.